Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's nail art tutorial, Julie will be showing you how to create this gorgeous mermaid-inspired nail art design, along with how to easily sculpt your very own 3D seashell nail at home. Hit that like button if you love magical nail art designs like this one.
Hey, it's Julie. Now let's get started on this magical mermaid manicure. To start off, I'll be using some stiletto false nails because I want the shape of the seashell to be more realistic and my nails are very square. For this design, I will be using gel polishes, so I'll first be prepping my nails with a layer of gel base coat. Remember to get the application thin for an even cure and to cap the free edge to prevent streaking. Then I just cured that in my LED lamp according to the gel's instructions. Also, I just wanted to go ahead and point out, because my natural nails are so long, you might be able to see them peek through the sides of these fake stiletto nails throughout the video, so just ignore that. To start this 3D seashell design, I'm first applying a white gel to my nail, remembering to cap it, and I did 2 coats, curing in between to get an opaque color. Next, you will need a synthetic hair nail art brush, preferably one with longer bristles. Now load up the brush with white gel and slowly paint a line down the center of your nail, but leave a space around the cuticle and near the free edge. Try not to brush the gel on, but let it string along the nail instead. Then before the gel shifts, quickly pop it under the LED lamp for about 10 seconds to flash cure it. This is going to prevent it from flooding and losing its 3D shape. Go back over that line again, following the same shape and thickness, but building up the dimension and flash curing after. Then I started making more lines on the sides of the middle one, following the same steps. If you need to, you can actually take a clean dry brush and use it to push wet gel back into line or clean up areas where gel may have leaked. I ended up doing 5 lines and about 3 coats on each line to get the desired height. Then I did one final cure to make sure everything was set, and you can leave the seashell plain like this, or you can add a special effect powder. I'll be using this Mermaid one, and we have a whole video about these special effect powders if you want to know more about how to use them. For this specific one, you just rub it into a sticky layer of cured gel, and I'm using a sponge to do this so that I can get into all the grooves of the seashell. And that's it for this nail. Later we'll add some decor, but let's move on to the other nails for now. On my middle nail, I'm applying a coat of light blue gel polish and curing it. Next, I'll be using these cool holographic galaxy flakes and rubbing that into the sticky layer of the cured gel polish. The more you smooth down the flakes, the more hollow it appears. Over top of that, I'll be making a mermaid scale design. To do so, I'm using a white gel again and slowly creating rows of U shapes. Again, I recommend flash curing every now and then to keep the lines in place. Also, alternate the position of each row so that the scales look like they're overlapping. Then I just pop that under the LED lamp for a final cure. On my index and pinky nail, I'm using the same blue gel and a minty green gel and creating a vertical gradient. To do this, first paint your nail in half with each color and cure it. Then apply a second coat of the colors, but slightly overlap them. To smooth out the gradient, I took a nail art brush and swirled the seam of the 2 colors together, then I smoothed it out with up and down strokes and let it self-level. I sealed all the nails in with a top coat, taking care to really get into the ridges of the seashell nail. Then I did a full final cure. You can finish there or add some 3D nail decor. On the seashell, I'm adding some pearls and a rhinestone. And on the gradient nails, I'm just adding a couple beachy themed metal decor pieces. And that's it! I seriously cannot get over how pretty these nails are, especially in harsh lighting like with your phone flashlight. The Holo Flakies are so sparkly and gorgeous. If you'd like to watch more fun and amazing tutorials on CutePolish, just click this little box here or here. You can also subscribe by clicking here. Also, you can check out my personal channel by clicking the link in the description.